In this video, we'll be delving into an intriguing topic that sheds light on the hidden wonders of our sleep. Have you ever wondered why we need to sleep beyond the simple notion of rest? Recent research has uncovered a profound connection between sleep and the maintenance of our brain's health at the cellular level. Imagine this: while our skin, blood, and liver cells can be replenished throughout our lives, the cells in our brain, known as neurons, are largely fixed from birth. This sets the stage for an extraordinary challenge to preserve their structure and connectivity over decades. But how does the brain achieve this feat? The answer lies in the restorative power of sleep. A groundbreaking study has revealed that while we sleep, our neurons engage in an intricate process to repair DNA damage that accumulates during our waking hours. This repair process is crucial for ensuring the long-term stability and function of our brain cells. Furthermore, the research highlights the intricate relationship between neuronal activity during wakefulness and the buildup of harmful substances like beta-amyloid, AB, which can exacerbate DNA damage. By elucidating the mechanisms through which sleep influences DNA repair, the study brings to light the vital role played by chromosome dynamics and calcium ions in this reparative process. This discovery not only deepens our understanding of the importance of sleep, but also opens up new avenues for exploring its impact on our overall well-being, especially as we age. Moreover, the implications of these findings stretch far beyond our nightly rest. The video will also delve into the potential ramifications for aging and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's, where disrupted sleep patterns and impaired DNA repair mechanisms could contribute to cognitive decline and neuronal degeneration over time. By uncovering the intricate workings of sleep at the cellular level, we are beginning to grasp the profound impact it has on our health and well-being, underscoring the critical need to prioritize and understand the science of sleep for a healthier future. So join us as we unravel the mysteries of sleep and delve into its vital role in safeguarding the health of our most precious organ, the brain.